In this video, I'll show you how to clear your search history in the Amazon app. So at the top, press on the search bar and you'll see a list of all your recent searches. So to remove them, you would simply press the X to the right of the search. So if you press that, you'll see it disappears and you can clear them all. And I'll also show you how to remove items from your recently viewed, along with turning off the settings. That means anytime you make a search, it won't come up in your search history. So at the bottom, press on the 3 horizontal lines and then press on your account. From here, you're going to scroll down and tap on your recently viewed items. So if you want to remove something from your recently viewed items, below the price, you should see it says remove from view. Press that. And then next up, you should see a settings wheel just to the right of browsing history. Press that. And then press on more settings at the bottom. And you can turn off your browsing history. So any searches you make after turning that off, it won't appear in your search history. So that's how to clear search history in the Amazon app. Thank you for watching.